Chachikal everybody, welcome back. We've got a very interesting recipe for you today. Ever thought of pickles made of eggs? No, right? So I'm going to start doing this for you, and let's see how it's made. I've got a very hot pan, and I'm going to sizzle some oil here, mustard oil, one of my favorite cooking ingredients. And eggs go in. I've got a couple of eggs which I've poked, and they're going to be slightly cooked here, gently cooked on all sides, and I'm going to reduce the temperature at this stage. We want to cook the eggs gently on all sides, make them golden brown, and the idea is to get most of the water evaporated from the eggs so that they last long. Because this is a pickle, you want it to stay a decent amount of time, and eggs are good for you. You need the proteins to for a healthy diet, and especially at times like this when your immunity, you need all of these. So I'm going to quickly flip these eggs over, and if you poke them, just be a little careful with them. While we want the flavors to go inside, we don't want it to break. So gently I'm doing this, reducing temperature further. This should take about 4 minutes. So it's been more than about 4 minutes now. It's been cooked on all sides very evenly. It's nice golden brown. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Now I've just reduced the temperature a little bit. I'm going to add in my dry spices. I'm going to start off with some hing, some chili powder. This is again degi mirch, a little bit of coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, salt, turmeric, and I'm going to keep continuing to cook this, and I'm going to just gently toss them around. And at this moment I'm going to add in my nigella seeds and the mustard. Double the amount of mustard to the nigella seeds. Let it come through. This is going to be cooked for a little while. Should take about 3 minutes on slow heat. Again, we want to make sure the eggs become as dry as possible, because we want to store them at least for a couple of weeks to 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator, and this should come out pretty nice. And we're going to add just a touch of vinegar in the end to allow it to cook. Vinegar is going in now. That's going to combine all the masalas, dry masalas, and this is also a preservative. Just scrape the bottom and I'll allow it to cook for a minute. While that's being done, I'm going to show you what these look like once they're fully cooked. These are 2 eggs that I made just a while ago, and this is how they turn out. You can keep them in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 weeks, but experiment this, try this. It's going to be a unique one. Happy cooking.